This is the day we've been waiting for. Here's what you can get your bae for Valentine's Day. Whether she wants smooth skin, a radiant face, or warm hands, this list has it all. Oh, there's something for those that spend a lot of time in front of the PC. Your bae's tired of constantly having to shave or wax unwanted body hair? Thank Gillette for creating a women's razor in 1915, when it suddenly became obscene for women to have hair on their bodies. And take a look at Jovs Dora Hair Remover. The device features multiple modes and temperatures for different body parts, making it one of the best on the market. Using intense pulsed light, the device converts energy to heat that's absorbed by the pigment in the hair, gradually preventing regrowth. With flashes occurring every 0.7 seconds, complete hair removal can be achieved in just 10 minutes. Not only is it easy to use, but it's also safe and gentle on the skin. And for all you men out there, don't worry, this device works on beards too. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? Not you again. Meet HiMirror Mini, the smart mirror that not only shows you your reflection, but also analyzes your skin and provides personalized skincare recommendations. Just take a selfie and let the mirror do the rest. It'll identify problem areas and give you tips on how to improve them. Plus, it'll even recommend specific beauty products for you to try and track their effectiveness and even shelf life. And if you're getting ready for a special event, HiMirror Mini can even suggest makeup looks for you to try. And if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, here's a simpler device that helps you perfectly apply your makeup, play music, take care of your phone's battery, and even answer calls while you're getting ready. Now you never have to worry about missing a beauty flaw again. Ready to take your yoga practice to the next level? The YogiFi Smart Yoga Mat will be more than happy to accompany you in your downward dog and warrior poses. This intelligent mat not only provides a comfortable and durable surface for your practice, but also comes equipped with AI sensors that track your movements and provide real-time feedback on your form via the accompanying app. Lower your waist a bit more. Perfectly done. By the way, in the app, you'll find a lot of short yet effective classes based on your skill level and pace. What you need is just to unroll the mat, connect to the app on your mobile device, and make sure YogiFi is charged. Are you ready to bring the heat wherever you go? The HigherDOSE infrared sauna blanket will become your portable sauna experience that you can use in the comfort of your own home or on the go. This blanket uses infrared technology to warm your body's thermal temperature, allowing you to sweat like you're working out without even lifting a finger. Not only will it give you an uplifting sensation and lift your mood, but it also helps with calorie burn, radiant skin, and even pain and soreness relief. So if you're ready to elevate your sauna game, give the HigherDOSE infrared sauna blanket a try. Want to add some excitement and some life to your space? Look no further than the Lyfe Floating Planter by Flyte. This cutting-edge zero-gravity system suspends your plants in midair, allowing you to enjoy them from all angles. Plus, the built-in rotation feature will have your plant doing pirouettes like a ballerina. The wood base adds a touch of class, while the magnetic floating technology keeps everything in place. Whether you're in your bedroom or at the office, the mesmerizing motion of the Lyfe Floating Planter will make you feel like you're living in the future. Looking for a way to improve your home skincare routine? The Foreo Luna Facial Spa Massager is the ultimate solution to achieving that spa-worthy glow from the comfort of your own home. It takes just 2 minutes to use, but it can remove up to 99% of dirt and oil in that time. Well, that's what the manufacturer claims. You'll also exfoliate your dead skin cells and unclog pores. Additionally, this spa cleansing tool makes your skin firmer and more elastic. Oh, and in case you suffer from mimic wrinkles, this device uses low-frequency sonic pulses to massage your face and to help it absorb the skincare products you're using. This reduces fine lines, especially in areas around your eyes and mouth. Here's one more device to treat your face properly. First, it'll help you to remove the makeup completely in just 90 seconds, all thanks to the sonic vibrations. After that, clean the skin using the rubber head for the most sensitive areas and a silicone head to clean the pores all over your face. At the bottom of Glow&Grow, there's a beauty spa applicator with hot and cold mode. Simply use this to evenly apply skin cream and other nutrients to every corner of your face. You look stunning now! Lovebox Modern Love Note Messenger is a brand new way to send notes to your loved ones. Connecting to the internet, this simple yet incredible device actually displays a personalized love note in real time. Inside the Lovebox, there's a digital display. When you receive a love note, the front heart knob will spin energetically until the box is opened. Once the lid's off, you'll see the full message on the display. In addition to words, senders can also include delightful drawings. To show the sender some love in return, you simply spin the heart knob. This initiates a heart-filled message back to them, reciprocating the love note. With an all-wood exterior and pixelated heart, the Lovebox looks exceptional in any living space. Just like how we store our food in the fridge to keep it fresh, your beauty products can also benefit from optimal temperature storage. The Beautigloo fridge comes equipped with a patented thermal system, ventilated cooling technology, and even a touchscreen for easy temperature adjustments. And let's be real, who wants to hear their fridge humming all night long? The night mode feature ensures silent operation so you can sleep soundly. In case you need something in the middle of the night, there's a built-in light and a couple of removable shelves to find the product quickly. You say a 1.3-gallon fridge is for kids? Here's a 3.2-gallon option. It's a bit simpler since it lacks the touchscreen and keeps constant temperature at 50 degrees. On the other hand, you'll finally fit all your jars with face cream. Diamonds may be a girl's best friend, but let's face it, they can get pretty dingy and dull. But don't worry, because this ultrasonic jewelry cleaner is here to make your bling sparkle like never before. Just pop your dirty diamonds into the basket, select one of the 5 preset timers, and press the button. The 42,000 cycles of ultrasonic energy will do the rest. And when the time runs out, the device will turn off automatically. Not only will it clean your jewelry, but it can also get rid of dirt on your eyeglasses, watches, utensils, and any other small items that fit in the 20-ounce water tank. So put your sparkly items to the test and let this cleaner do its magic. Shine bright like a diamond. Tired of bland store-bought herbs and greens? Want to add some freshness to your kitchen? Look no further than the EDN SmallGarden Indoor Connected Garden. This little gem allows you to manage your garden from anywhere, thanks to its convenient Wi-Fi connection. Just open the app and voila! You'll know if your small garden needs watering, if your crops are ready to harvest, or if they need more light. And with built-in LED lights, the countertop garden doesn't need to be near a window, making it perfect for those of us with small apartments or windows that don't get much sunlight. Plus, it grows a variety of vegetables and flowers, so you can add some freshness to your next big dinner party meal or even a beautiful vase on your table. Tired of lugging around a bulky power bank and extra cord just to keep your phone charged? Say goodbye to that hassle with the Clutch Charger Tiny Power Bank. This portable charger is the same size as a credit card, and it can charge your iPhone. Just slip it into your wallet and you'll never have to worry about ending your night out with a dead phone again. Plus, this sleek metal power bank even has the charging cord attached, so you'll have one less thing to think about. And the best part? It's so thin at only 0.15 inches thick, you can slide it anywhere without taking up extra space. So go ahead and live your life without the fear of a dead phone battery. Are your hands constantly colder than a polar bear's toenails? This rechargeable stick hand warmer is here to save the day. Not only can it keep your hands toasty warm at temperatures ranging from 104 Fahrenheit to 140 Fahrenheit, but it also doubles as a power bank. Plus, with a battery that lasts up to 6 hours, you can say goodbye to cold hands all day long. And the best part? It's so lightweight and portable, you can easily slip it into your toiletry bag and take it with you wherever you go. So put your gloves away and embrace the warmth. We all know that makeup brushes are a breeding ground for germs and bacteria if not cleaned properly. Let's be real, cleaning and drying them is a nightmare. But no more. Luxe is a compact and quick makeup brush cleaner that'll clean and dry your brushes in just a few minutes. Using it's a breeze. Just dunk your brush into the liquid, push the button, and let it spin. Then dry your brush by spinning it in the air. Voila! You're ready to apply your makeup with a clean brush. No fuss, no muss, no acne. This is your magic wand to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines, dark circles, blemishes, and dark spots on your face. Yes, it's literally a magic wand, since it combines 4 powerful skincare technologies for the ultimate at-home spa facial. Glide this cutie across your face in an upward and outward movement, slowly covering your forehead, cheeks, under eyes, jaw, neck, and upper lip. The wand will automatically turn on when making contact with hydrated, clean skin, plus it's so small you can take it anywhere you go. So you'll always have a radiant, youthful glow no matter where you are. Traveling without music's like a road trip without snacks. It's just not right. But lugging around a bulky speaker's the last thing you want to do. That's where the Go-To speaker comes in. It's small but mighty. It packs a punch with its formidable sound and has a running time of a whopping 25 hours. Hang it on a hook, slip it in your pocket, or toss it in your bag. It's the ultimate travel companion. Bonus, it's water resistant, so you can even bring it to the beach or use it in the bathroom without a care in the world. But what if you just want to relax and help yourself to fall asleep? This white noise machine is your way out. Push the button and pick one of 11 soothing sounds like white noise, ocean sound, lullaby, and so on. The built-in night light will be helpful too. Of course, you can adjust the volume and the brightness if needed. In case you wondered, yes, this device is suitable for babies too. This thing will turn every shower into a spa. The idea is simple. Just put the unfolded blanket, bath sheet, or bathrobe into the warmer and close the lid. Choose 15, 30, 45, or 60 minutes and soak in the tub while the warmer heats your bathrobe. Safety's also thought through. The device will automatically turn off when the time runs out, and the hot surface indicator light will turn off, letting you know when the fabrics are safe to touch. Tired of feeling the burn in your lower back from sitting in front of your PC for hours on end? Well, LumbarCare Pro combines 5 scientifically proven methods to give you the ultimate relief. All you need is a power source, a flat surface to lie on, and the desire to feel better. The dynamic air mode will help you to stretch your back, while adjustable heat will relieve the pain. You'll be feeling like a new person in just 15 minutes. And if you can't decide which mode to use, LumbarCare Pro has an auto mode that'll do the work for you. So don't let back pain hold you back. Give LumbarCare Pro a try.